So today, to go along with our book about the rabbit who is mixing different colors, we're going to do a color mixing experiment of our own and see what happens. There's also a worksheet included that I gave to you guys where you could write down what you saw happen. So when you mix one color with another, what does it turn into? So you don't have to do that worksheet if you don't want to, but it is a great way to record the observations that you're going to make throughout this experiment. So what you need for this project is a cup, preferably a clear one so that you can see what happens when the colors mix. You're going to need water, food coloring, and probably a spoon to mix up the colors. You can just do this by a sink. I'm not by a sink, so I just brought a bowl so that I can dump the water into when I'm done mixing certain colors. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is put some water into my cup. I'm not going to fill it. Halfway is probably plenty. I probably don't even need that much, honestly. All right, let's see. What colors do I want to mix first? Let's try this one on the end. I have blue. So if I were doing the worksheet right now, the first circle, I would color in blue. Now, your child might need help with this because it's very easy to just squeeze out the entire container of dye, and that we definitely don't want to do. So I put 2 drops. That looks pretty cool as it's going into the water, and then we mix it up. Awesome. So right now we have blue water. Probably even just 1 drop of that would have been enough. Next, I'm going to add yellow. So once again, if I were doing the worksheet, I would color the second circle yellow. So now I'm going to take this and add a couple drops in. And mix it around. It didn't turn yellow. What color did that make when mixed together? We had blue, we added yellow, and that made green. That is so cool. So blue plus yellow equaled green. All right, let's try another one. So I'm just gonna take this water and pour it in here because I am done with it. Now I need to refill the glass with clear water. All right, this time let's try red. Maybe I'll just try 1 drop this time and see if that's enough. Put my 1 drop in and mix it up. All right, and then we'll add, let's try yellow again, just like we added in the last time. Red, and then add a drop of yellow. And mix it around. Wow. Just like in the book, red plus yellow made orange. Super cool. Time to dump that one out. Let's try one more. And there are more colors that you can mix together, so feel free at home to try as many as you want. And like I said at the end of the reel out video, if you don't have the food coloring, that's okay. Maybe you just have paint and you want to let your child paint with a couple different colors and observe what happens when the colors mix. Let's go red again to start. Mix it around. So we're starting with red, and now we will add blue. Do you guys have a prediction? What's going to happen when we mix red with blue? What color do you think it will be? If I remember from the book, I think red and blue makes purple. Let's see if my prediction is correct. Mix it around. Look, what color did it make? Purple! That means my prediction was correct. I remembered that from the story. Super cool. So maybe you guys want to try this at home. Experiment with mixing different colors. Like I said, you can do this with the food coloring. You can do it with paint. Maybe even if you try crayons and color one color over the other, maybe even that would show what happens when you mix the colors. And if you don't want to do any of that, maybe just do a freestyle drawing using a bunch of different colors. Have fun, guys. See you next time.